Hey friends, there are many mediums through which you can communicate, and the live chat is one of the strongest medium being widely used on the internet nowadays. Live chat is everywhere, even you are using the Facebook or even WhatsApp is a direct tool, Telegram, and there are many such solutions that you might be using at your end as well. Live chat is a very popular tool because it maintains the privacy of users. So why there is a another requirement of the chat rooms. So at this channel DGCM we are discussing on the ideas and solutions through which we can set up our own digital business. In this video we are going to discuss a very good solution through which you can launch your own chat room platform. And what is special in this? It is going to be a personal chat room. So users at this platform can create chat rooms for a specific people, and the people like a community or a group will chat here. Like this is one of the example I'm going to show you. So like if we are joining a particular chat group, so we can chat here, and there might be hundreds of people joining this chat room, and the users of this platform can discuss many things or even go for video calling using this solution. Like chat room is here, direct messaging is here, and for that for direct messaging you need to log in, and there might be like we can go for direct messaging by selecting any member, and we can check the member profiles and all the basic details as we do on uh, a standard and the popular chat platforms. So you can launch your own chat room platform using the solution that we are going to discuss in this video, and this is about the ChatNet. It is a PHP based chat room, and it is a private chat script. So you can launch a platform with a progressive web application, like it will work like a app, and it also supports the multi-language and video calling basically. So the users and the administrator can run unlimited chat rooms, admin panel and front page is there. So mobile support is there, radio player, push notification and embedded chat rooms are here. So these are the basic things that you can use, but yes, this is going to be a perfect solution if we are launching this as a business. And you can also uh, charge on certain amount from your customer because it is like it can be a paid solution as well. So let us go to the admin dashboard so that I must show you best of the things in this solution. So this is admin. Consider yourself as the admin of the solution. I mean the owner of the solution, and you are controlling everything. So in the first instance, we have to go for settings, and the dashboard is showing us the basic things what is going inside the system. And in the general settings, we can of course white label this solution. We can create site descriptions and basic things let members create chat room and the basic settings that you may allow at your solution. It is totally up to you how you want to run the solution. So all the controls are here. Let moderator create rooms and cookie consent. They allow multiple sessions and all such basic settings are here. So email solution, through the email solution you can set up the email through which the system will communicate. Ajax frequency is to be set, and these are basically one-time settings for administrator. And message length you can decide, chat page notice style and the display name format, and GIF enabling the enable stickers in images, videos, audio messages, codes, files. So you can control everything what is allowed on the system, so that you may even maintain the security and what is allowed legally. So legality is also there because you are running a platform where people are connected. So you have to control all these things like show gender icon or the country flag, the whatever is required to you. You'll get all the controls on the solution. Further, you can ask user to register on the solution before they start using, like enable registration, ask for date of birth and the gender, ask for country member registration, the enable guest mode or the guest name edit or basic settings like registration is here. In the homepage control, you can control the homepage banner, homepage title, and all those things that is being displayed on the homepage. Homepage means where user are going to land. This is the homepage. And again, I'm taking you to the header area of the website. This is header area. Similarly, we have control on the footer, GIA, PWA. So you can also launch the PWA, progressive web app, with this website, front end website. So it is a good idea to launch the PWA as well. You can control the in Firebase notifications, like push notification system is here, and you can use the Firebase for notification. IP access controls, enable IP logging and enable blacklist. And further, we have cloud storage solution where to store the data. Either you can cloud or you can use the local storage. And the reactions options are here. So some reactions has maybe widely and popularly being used reaction on the chats. Further, we have control on the appearance, so we can control the images on the website like dark theme logo and light theme logo, dark theme small logo, and all the logo, the login page image, the register page, forward password image, and all such things. And we can choose a theme for the website, full width or the box or the default front end, the hybrid, light. So there are many layouts that you can use for the front end website. And further, we have control on the fonts as well. Content is going to help us in managing the content being displayed on the homepage of the website. Like this is the content, you can edit the content or delete the content. Or so like this is about us page content, contact page content. Spam control is here, like you can use the domain filter, profanity filter or the captcha, so that you may save the system from this spams. Chat room is another setting where you can control the chat rooms. So you can take a complete idea what is going in the system, like the how many joiners are there, the how many chat rooms are there, and you can further edit the chat room. Like edit the chat room is here, description of chat room slot and the password protection, the visible to everyone, allow member access, allow moderator access, allow public view the guest chat. So it can be private or public as well. So it is totally up to you how you are setting the system to run on the web. Yeah, you get it. So this is a very good control that we can have in the chat room area. And further, we have all the controls. Even we can delete the chats, and we can control the room users, how many users are there. Even we can particularly block a particular user. Like if I show you user, like there are 152 users, so we can check all the users, the control those users in the chat room, how they are accessing. And even we can kick the users or remove the re- remove mode is also here. Yes, you are controlling everything. And video calling is a new thing, but yes, you can enable the video calling. And video calling provider, you can select the Agora is currently being mapped. So Agora, you need to take the API from the Agora, and that can be a paid service. But yes, you can simply integrate the Agora video calling system with the system. Okay, so users, so how many users are there in the chat room? So you can control all the users. And further, you can allow the guests, so you can check the guests who are working, I mean, who are using the system. And the member bases you can control depending upon their popularity and uses. You can allow them base, award them bases. Flag content, it is a very important thing that you need to control in the chat system, because the reason or flagging is necessary. So flag chats, users, rooms. So you can control the chat and the integrity of the solution. Social login options are here, like you can allow them user to log in using Discord, Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn. So you need to configure all the solution. Okay, right. The radio, like enable radio. So the radio can be integrated. Yes, some radio stations that you can directly integrate with the system. Similarly, we have control over languages, the advertisement, because you are going to earn money from this solution. So advertisements are there. You can run the advertisement on the solution on the web pages. IP logs are here, and the flagged content area is here. Okay, so we have already used uh, advertisements. Okay, so reports are here, so we can check the IP logs and integration SSO. You need to either purchase the WordPress. Okay, just in case if you are using WordPress, and the maintenance is also here. So you are controlling all the things at this solution, but users are going to use this solution, and you can even collect money for using the solution as paid members. So it is a very good idea to launch this solution as a private chat room or the public chat room, and there can be multiple communities they can use this, and you can even use for your school group, college group, like a standalone chat solution for universities, college, educational institutions. So this is a very good thing that you can launch it at your own. So it is very easy to use solution. I mean, you can directly install the solution on a shared hosting, and the cost of this solution is very nominal. Just you need to spend $39, and you are going to get the quality check by Invato, the future update, 6 month support from the developer itself. And in addition to this, we are here to help you in setting up the solution, making this solution live and up for you. So I am adding all the details in the video description. You can simply follow the video description. I think this can be a very good idea to launch the chat room solution. And even you are using the WordPress website, you can integrate the solution with the WordPress websites. So we have three options, like we can use other layouts as well. So this is another one, and this is the third one. So you can export these areas at your end, and if uh, we are talking about the users or the members, like guest mode can be here, members can be here, and the user, like I am showing you user demo first. Okay, so somehow it is not logging in, but yes, it is working fine in the actual installation, and there are three layouts as I said, so you can use any of these pre-made layouts as a website, landing page website, and the chat rooms will work directly according to chosen user and all. So this is very good, and I am sure you are going to launch your own chat room for discussing with the friends, discussing with your work community or the students group. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solution, and you are going to launch this solution within $100. So $39 is the cost of a script, and you can use this any shared hosting plan, PHP enabled hosting plan for running this solution. So under 100, you are going to launch the solution as I can calculate. So amount may vary depending upon the hosting and other services you are choosing. But yes, it is a nominal expenditure to launch this solution. So let us meet in the next video with a new solution, and through which you will be a smart web user or a owner of digital business. Thanks for watching. Keep building. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button.